Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope all of you well and enjoy your vacations, but regularly listen to my lectures and follow my instructions carefully. So class 7th, open your notebooks and revise with me today. Your revision time start now. Open your unit number 4 and long question number 1. Explain the importance of agriculture in terms of Pakistan economic. It is also known as value of agriculture. Importance of agriculture in Pakistan. Agriculture plays a vital role for economic of Pakistan and its development. 37.4% of labor force engaged directly with एग्रीकल्चर एम्प्लॉयमेंट अगर हम देखें तो एग्रीकल्चर से जो हमें एम्प्लॉयमेंट रोज़गार जो मिलता है वो 37.4 ऑफ लेबर फोर्स इज़ एंगेज डायरेक्टली विद एग्रीकल्चर है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन इसका जीपीटी अंकम, ठीक है। कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ जीपीटी देखें अगर हम तो पाकिस्तान का तकरीबन its contributions towards GPT is about 22.9%, which is higher than the contribution of any other sectors. Next one, infrastructure development. Agriculture helpful the infrastructure development. Next one is export earning. Export earning, foreign earnings. Agricultural sector is the biggest source of foreign exchange earning for Pakistan. Next one is food. It is also the source of food. It is the main source of living and income of major parts of our economic. Agriculture play a vital role for economic of Pakistan and its development. So, raw material for industries. It provides agriculture is also the major source of provisions of raw materials of industrial sectors of Pakistan. Agriculture is the major source of food of huge population of Pakistan. So I hope so you have to learn about all the topics. Contribution अगर हम जीपीटी देखें तो वो है 22.9%। एम्प्लॉयमेंट अगर देखें तो लेबर 37.4% है। पॉपुलेशन जो है इंगेज होती है अबाउट 70% ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इज रिलेटेड टू एग्रीकल्चर डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, ठीक है। ये सारे के सारे जो हैं ये आपके बेनिफिट्स हैं, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर इन पाकिस्तान है। So my lovely students, Sadi Public School Class 1 syllabus, or this syllabus done by Miss Amna Batul, and it is a syllabus of geography. Welcome to geography class 7 syllabus, and in which we have to that is a syllabus of test 1. Okay, you can see. So test 1 syllabus is all short question answers, worksheet and MCQs of unit number 1 to 4. Topics, types of plains, features formed by rivers, river system, importance of river in economic, source of water on earth, types of precipitation, biogas, and types of settlements, advantages and disadvantages of rural and urban settlements, functions of settlements, towns are different from cities, types of agriculture, value of agriculture. That is your syllabus. You have to done and learn it. Today task. So students, watch my video lectures. Learn all long questions of unit number 1 to 3. Dear students, be prepared of test 1 on 19 July 2025 and second test on 9th August 2025. अब इसके अंदर जो टेस्ट 1 है उसका सिलेबस मैंने आपसे शेयर कर दिया है कि हमने लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस के टॉपिक्स करने हैं जो मैंने आपसे रिलेटेड बताए हैं। लेकिन जो सेकंड जो आपका टेस्ट होगा उसमें होल सिलेबस है आपका फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का, ठीक है। जो आपका टेस्ट 1 में आपका इंक्लूडेड टेस्ट 2 में इंक्लूडेड होगा और वो आपने सारा लर्न करना है, ठीक है। So best wishes for your test 1 and test 2. Wishing your success in your exams. May good luck be in your favor and your preparation bring fantastic outcomes. Okay, thank you for listening me. Allah Hafiz.